I'm so small and so alone. What can I do? The Curious Raindrop. Once there was a small raindrop. He floated with his brothers and sisters in the sky. They all formed together a large cloud. Father and mother were constantly busy to keep them together, because they all were very curious, and all the time some of them wanted to break out to discover the world. Because he was the smallest one of all of them, he could not see anything and longed for an edge place. But their parents were strictly aware of their crowd and watched out that the smallest ones floated well taken care of in the middle of the cloud. Thus he had no other choice but to listen to the stories of his brothers and sisters who had a better view. They talked about meadows, fields, forests, and houses. He tried to imagine all these things and made the decision that as soon as he would get the possibility, he would explore all those things. He was so sick of always doing what he had been told, such as always flying to the same direction as the other droplets around him. They were so annoying. They all smelled moist and sticky. Just like him, they all wanted to get an edge place and pushed each other constantly. Be patient, the earth will be calling you when your time has come, said the mother, while she strictly supervised the smallest ones and made sure that they stayed protected in the middle of the cloud. One day, the parents got into an argument with the weather spirit, who was so furious that he punished them with his strongest winds. It was blowing so intense that they lost the connection to each other, and the cloud was full of holes. And that was the opportunity the small raindrop had been waiting for so long. "Let's get out of here," he thought. "Hooray!" The ride down went faster and faster and intoxicated him. "Hooray! Yeah!" Hooting loudly with joy, air breathing around him. Below him he saw strange things becoming rapidly larger. Splash! He slammed on something hard. "Ouch!" he shouted. "Oh no, it starts raining," grumbled the driver and turned on the windshield wipers. Slammed off, the raindrop found himself at the side of the road, where he stayed whining. The noise around him was terrible. Frightened, he closed his ears. In vain, he called for his cloud. Shocked, he burst into tears. I am so alone. Hearts need sunshine for their life. I'm so small and so alone. What can I do? The pain in me, I feel so bad. My head, it hurts. I am so sad. A rain puddle next to him felt sorry for him and took him in. Now he stuck there, oily, filthy at the edge of the puddle, and all he could see were cars driving by and spraying mud. From the stench of the exhaust gases, he got a bad cough. He became homesick, longed for his parents, brothers and sisters, for their closeness and their smell. On and on he called for them, unfortunately in vain. Now he got ill from all the suffering and longing. He left the rain puddle in order to search for his family. His journey was troublesome. He moved very slowly. Every hour he became smaller. Soon there was only little trace of him left behind. He was so weak that he could not even cry anymore. Suddenly the sun broke through the clouds and sent a ray to him which gently stroked him, warmed and wrapped him, and led him back to the sky, where he built a new cloud family with other raindrops.